Hello friends, welcome to FAQ Room. Today, I am going to ask some questions on computer science and engineering to Mr. Clara. Hi Clara, how are you?
Hi Flora, I am fine. Hope you are doing well. I will explain and give proper answers to all your questions. So let us start today's session. What are the subjects of BTech Computer Science and Engineering? The majority of subjects offered in a BTech Computer Science are skill-oriented, imparting students with the foundational knowledge of various aspects of computer science over its 4-year term. It starts with acquainting students with basic engineering concepts, developing into more specialized subjects like machine learning and mobile computing. Though the actual course offerings vary as per the course and university, here is a list of some common subjects taught in this course. Applied Mathematics, Computer Graphics, Compiler Design, Operating Systems, Introduction to Programming, Foundation of Computer Science, Database Management Systems, Object-Oriented Programming, Data Structure and Algorithm, Electrical Technology, Computer Organization and Architecture, Java Programming, Computer Network, Artificial Intelligence, Digital Communication, Microprocessor and Microcontroller, Software Testing and Quality Assurance, Web Engineering, Information Security, Wireless Communication, Mobile Computing, Machine Learning, Deep Learning, Industrial Management Algorithm, Design and Analysis. What is the career scope for CSE Computer Science and Engineering? Regarded as the fastest growing discipline in the engineering world, computer science is a highly diverse field with copious varying specializations and job profiles. Most of these are programming and software development jobs offered in private IT companies and corporations. Here are some of the prominent career options that students can pursue after getting their degree in BTech Computer Science. Software developer, web developer, cybersecurity, database administrator, security engineer, data analyst, data scientist, system database administrator, computer programmer, engineering support specialist, lecturer professor, computer operator, research analyst, data warehouse analyst, system designer, software engineer.
What is applied mathematics in computer science and engineering?
The concentration in applied mathematics, computer science allows students to develop complementary expertise in computer science and applied mathematics, and provides a foundation for advanced work at the intersection of these disciplines.
What is object-oriented programming in CSE?
This is a foundational subject of computer programming covered under BTech Computer Science. This helps in making software and programs easier to manage and use for the programmer. Computer languages like Java and C++ are mainly used for object-oriented programming. What is Database Management Systems (DBMS) in CSE? This subject helps the student in the creation, handling, management, and updating of a database. It has practical applications in offices like schools, colleges, and hospitals where individual information is recorded. What is Artificial Intelligence (AI) in CSE? Artificial intelligence is one of the fastest growing specializations of computer science. It helps the systems automatically identify and interpret raw data based on set algorithms as per historical data. It further lays the foundation for machine learning and deep learning.
What is web engineering?
Web engineering deals with developing websites, their management, deployment and maintenance. It integrates existing data servers with database and client applications. This gives the Internet its present form, with all its information and interface. What is information security in CSE? Information security works by protecting the existing data on the Internet, extensively working to save it from misuse, exploitation, disruption, and theft. This is the backbone of data management, essentially saving personal data, paid services, and other information on the Internet.
What is computer graphics in computer science and engineering?
The study of computer graphics is a subfield of computer science which studies methods for digitally synthesizing and manipulating visual content. Although the term often refers to three-dimensional computer graphics, it also encompasses two-dimensional graphics and image processing. Computer graphics is an art of drawing pictures on computer screens with the help of programming. It involves computations, creation, and manipulation of data. In other words, we can say that computer graphics is a rendering tool for the generation and manipulation of images. The importance of computer graphics lies in its applications. In engineering applications, example automotive and aerospace, the ability to quickly visualize newly designed shapes is indispensable. Before the advent of computer graphics, designers built expensive prototypes and time-consuming clay models. What are the types of computer graphics? Vector graphics and raster graphics are the two main types of computer graphics. What is computer graphics application design? Graphic design is a craft where professionals create visual content to communicate messages. By applying visual hierarchy and page layout techniques, designers use typography and pictures to meet users' specific needs and focus on the logic of displaying elements in interactive designs to optimize the user experience. Where is computer graphics used? Computer graphics refers to a technology that generates images on a computer screen. It's used in digital photography, film and television, video games, and on electronic devices and is responsible for displaying images effectively to users. What is graphics in laptop? The graphics processing unit (GPU) in your device helps handle graphics-related work like graphics, effects, and videos. Learn about the different types of GPUs and find the one that meets your needs. Integrated GPUs are built into your PC's motherboard, allowing laptops to be thin, lightweight, and power efficient. What is the difference between graphics and computer graphics? Graphics are defined as any sketch or a drawing or a special network that pictorially represents some meaningful information. Computer graphics is used where a set of images needs to be manipulated or the creation of the image in the form of pixels and is drawn on the computer. What is software and hardware in CSE? A computer system is divided into two categories, hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical and visible components of the system such as a monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Software, on the other hand, refers to a set of instructions which enable the hardware to perform a specific set of tasks. What is a software of a computer with example? Software is a generic term used to refer to applications, scripts and programs that run on a device. It can be thought of as the variable part of a computer, while hardware is the invariable part. The two main categories of software are application software and system software. Examples of software are Google Chrome, MySQL, MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Notepad, Photoshop and more.
What is hardware of a computer with example?
Hardware refers to the physical elements of a computer, also referred to as the machinery or the equipment of the computer. Examples of hardware in a computer are the keyboard, the monitor, the mouse and the processing unit. However, most of a computer's hardware cannot be seen, it's inside the computer case. Examples of hardware are RAM, ROM, printer, monitor, mouse, hard disk and more. These include the following: motherboard, CPU, RAM, hard drive, solid-state drive SSD, optical drive, heat sink, graphics processing unit, and etc. What is firmware in computer? Firmware is a microcode or program that is embedded into the memory of hardware devices to help them operate. It enables hardware like cameras, mobile phones, network cards, optical drives, printers, routers, scanners, and television remotes to function smoothly. What is computer science engineering? The full form of CSE is Computer Science Engineering. It is an engineering course that involves several computer science aspects essential for the creation of the computer system. Computer Science Engineering is a course that deals with the design, implementation, and management of information systems of both software and hardware processes. A computer scientist specializes in the theory of computation and the design of computational systems.
What is the meaning of AI/ML in CSE?
Artificial intelligence machine learning has seen tremendous growth in the recent decade. It is an offshoot branch of computer engineering that has created a paradigm shift in almost every sector of the industry, academics, and research. Where is AI/ML used? That is artificial intelligence machine learning used. AI/ML can be used to create chatbots and computer programs that mimic human conversation. AI/ML can also be used to create virtual assistants, which are computer programs that can perform tasks such as scheduling appointments and sending emails. What is AI/ML in computer engineering? AI/ML stands for Artificial Intelligence Modeling Language. AI/ML is an XML-based markup language meant to create artificial intelligent applications. AI/ML makes it possible to create human interfaces while keeping the implementation simple to program, easy to understand and highly maintainable. AI/ML, short for Artificial Intelligence AI and Machine Learning ML, represents an important evolution in computer science and data processing that is quickly transforming a vast array of industries. As businesses and other organizations undergo digital transformation, they're faced with a growing tsunami of data that is at once incredibly valuable and increasingly burdensome to collect, process and analyze. New tools and methodologies are needed to manage the vast quantity of data being collected, to mine it for insights and to act on those insights when they're discovered. AI/ML, short for Artificial Intelligence AI and Machine Learning ML, represents an important evolution in computer science and data processing that is quickly transforming a vast array of industries. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence AI generally refers to processes and algorithms that are able to simulate human intelligence, including mimicking cognitive functions such as perception, learning, and problem solving. Machine learning and deep learning (DL) are subsets of AI. Specific practical applications of AI include modern web search engines, personal assistant programs that understand spoken language, self-driving vehicles, and recommendation engines, such as those used by Spotify and Netflix. There are 4 levels or types of AI, 2 of which we have achieved, and 2 which remain theoretical at this stage. 4 types of AI in order from simplest to most advanced. The 4 types of AI include reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. Reactive machines are able to perform basic operations based on some form of input. At this level of AI, no learning happens. The system is trained to do a particular task or set of tasks and never deviates from that. These are purely reactive machines that do not store inputs, have any ability to function outside of a particular context, or have the ability to evolve over time. Examples of reactive machines include most recommendation engines, IBM's Deep Blue Chess AI, and Google's AlphaGo AI, arguably the best Go player in the world. Limited memory AI systems are able to store incoming data and data about any actions or decisions it makes, and then analyze that stored data in order to improve over time. This is where machine learning really begins, as limited memory is required in order for learning to happen. Since limited memory AIs are able to improve over time, these are the most advanced AIs we have developed to date. Examples include self-driving vehicles, virtual voice assistants, and chatbots. Theory of mind is the first of the 2 more advanced and currently theoretical types of AI that we haven't yet achieved. At this level, AIs would begin to understand human thoughts and emotions, and start to interact with us in a meaningful way. Here, the relationship between human and AI becomes reciprocal, rather than the simple one-way relationship humans have with various less advanced AIs now. The theory of mind terminology comes from psychology, and in this case refers to an AI understanding that humans have thoughts and emotions which then, in turn, affect the AI's behavior. Self-awareness is considered the ultimate goal for many AI developers, wherein AIs have human-level consciousness, aware of themselves as beings in the world with similar desires and emotions as humans. As yet, self-aware AIs are purely the stuff of science fiction.
Which is better, CSE or AI/ML in computer engineering?
The comparison of career and salary in specialization in AI/ML versus specialization in CSE is as there is a huge competition between AI/ML and computer science engineering from a career perspective. Both are promising educational lines, and you will get outstanding opportunities once you complete graduation. However, if we consider the individual markets, it will become clearer for you. As computer science engineering is a huge domain, the demand for professionals with specific skills is not so high. But the demand for B.Tech professionals specializing in AI and ML is super high, and hence, there is a crunch of employees in the market. Salary for the CSE employee starts from 3 Indian rupees lakh per annum, while that of a professional with an AI and ML background gets a job with 6 Indian rupees lakh per annum. As a computer science engineer, you can pursue any further specialization and grow your career from DevOps to data science. But when you have done the specialization only in AI and ML, you won't have so many options. What is machine learning? Machine learning ML is a subset of AI that falls within the limited memory category in which the AI machine is able to learn and develop over time. There are a variety of different machine learning algorithms, with the 3 primary types being supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. 3 types of machine learning algorithms. As with the different types of AI, these different types of machine learning cover a range of complexity. And while there are several other types of machine learning algorithms, most are a combination of or based on these primary 3. Supervised learning is the simplest of these, and, like it says on the box, is when an AI is actively supervised throughout the learning process. Researchers or data scientists will provide the machine with a quantity of data to process and learn from, as well as some example results of what that data should produce, more formally referred to as inputs and desired outputs. The result of supervised learning is an agent that can predict results based on new input data. The machine may continue to refine its learning by storing and continually re-analyzing these predictions, improving its accuracy over time. Supervised machine learning applications include image recognition, media recommendation systems, predictive analytics, and spam detection. Unsupervised learning involves no help from humans during the learning process. The agent is given a quantity of data to analyze, and independently identifies patterns in that data. This type of analysis can be extremely helpful, because machines can recognize more and different patterns in any given set of data than humans. Like supervised machine learning, unsupervised ML can learn and improve over time. Unsupervised machine learning applications include things like determining customer segments in marketing data, medical imaging, and anomaly detection. Reinforcement learning is the most complex of these three algorithms in that there is no data set provided to train the machine. Instead, the agent learns by interacting with the environment in which it is placed. It receives positive or negative rewards based on the actions it takes, and improves over time by refining its responses to maximize positive rewards. Some applications of reinforcement learning include self-improving industrial robots, automated stock trading, advanced recommendation engines, and bid optimization for maximizing ad spend.
What is deep learning?
Deep learning DL is a subset of machine learning that attempts to emulate human neural networks, eliminating the need for pre-processed data. Deep learning algorithms are able to ingest, process, and analyze vast quantities of unstructured data to learn without any human intervention. As with other types of machine learning, a deep learning algorithm can improve over time. Some practical applications of deep learning currently include developing computer vision, facial recognition, and natural language processing.
What are the similarities of artificial intelligence versus machine learning versus deep learning?
Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which in turn is a subset of artificial intelligence.
What are the actual similarities and differences between them?
A common way of illustrating in the picture shown that how they're related is as a set of concentric circles, with AI on the outside, and DL at the center. As outlined above, there are 4 types of AI, including 2 that are purely theoretical at this point. In this way, artificial intelligence is the larger, overarching concept of creating machines that simulate human intelligence and thinking. The ultimate goal of creating self-aware artificial intelligence is far beyond our current capabilities, so much of what constitutes AI is currently impractical. Machine learning, on the other hand, is a practical application of AI that is currently possible, being of the limited memory type. By and large, machine learning is still relatively straightforward, with the majority of ML algorithms having only 1 or 2 layers such as an input layer and an output layer with few, if any, processing layers in between. Machine learning models are able to improve over time, but often need some human guidance and retraining. In contrast, deep learning has multiple layers, and it's these extra hidden layers of processing that gives deep learning its name. Deep learning algorithms are essentially self-training, in that they're able to analyze their own predictions and results to evaluate and adjust their accuracy over time. Deep learning algorithms are capable of independent learning. DL is able to do this through the layered algorithms that together make up what's referred to as an artificial neural network. These are inspired by the neural networks of the human brain, but obviously fall far short of achieving that level of sophistication. That said, they are significantly more advanced than simpler ML models, and are the most advanced AI systems we're currently capable of building.
Why is AI ML important?
It's no secret that data is an increasingly important business asset, with the amount of data generated and stored globally growing at an exponential rate. Of course, collecting data is pointless if you don't do anything with it, but these enormous floods of data are simply unmanageable without automated systems to help. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning give organizations a way to extract value out of the troves of data they collect, delivering business insights, automating tasks, and advancing system capabilities. AI/ML has the potential to transform all aspects of a business by helping them achieve measurable outcomes, including increasing customer satisfaction, offering differentiated digital services, optimizing existing business services, automating business operations, increasing revenue, reducing costs. Thank you for watching special FAQRoom session on engineering disciplines for career guidance. Please watch, like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow the AI YouTube channel. Hi, I am Clara. I will give all answers to Flora's collective frequently asked questions in every session, whatever the questions related to discipline of engineering. Viewers also contribute to ask questions and may provide answers in the comments.
Hi, I am Flora collecting questions from various disciplines of engineering and passes to Clara to provide proper answers. Viewers also requested to engage to provide much better answer to the questions in comments for review and feedback.
Thank you for watching the session. Please check and watch next season when published. Click the button for bell icon for notifications. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my AI channel through which the FAQ Room is publishing. Please follow and support my channel. AI YouTube channel viewers also requested to engage to provide much better answer to the questions and comments for review and feedback of sessions, and viewers also requested to contribute to ask questions and may provide answers in the comments box. Thanks for Clara and Flora. Keep watching. Thank you very much. FAQ Room Sessions AI YouTube channel.